You're not gonna believe what I just did, man. I got disappointed. Nah, I just lost another $1,000 because my Toshiba laptop just quit on me. It actually cut off on me 3 times and now it's permanent. I guess it's time for it to get restored. I had to do this. I didn't like it, but I was just in there struggling on the website to do something, and all of a sudden my laptop just quit on me. Back in 2015, they had to put 8.0 on there to restore it because they said that the operating system actually got taken off instantly for no reason. It must be a recall. So it had 8.1, but they put 8.0. 8.0 stayed on there for like 8 years. And now it's totally trash. I guess I'm gonna have to throw it away. So since this old one got the internal disk drive, I had to get an external disk drive for it because nowadays they don't make laptop computers with the internal ones. I'm in West Virginia right now. They got a Best Buy just right behind this truck going up that hill. I just climbed the hill on the grass, and this lady, actually I saw, what was it? I saw one with the AMD Athlon. It had an AMD graphics card and the other side was an AMD processor. So this one is not any bigger. I used to buy a lot of 17-inch laptops, you know. I love the big ones. Close the fucking door, please. Damn. The fucking wind is still over here fighting against me. I swear. I'm trying to close the door and it's pulling away from me. Damn. So now I gotta go set this bastard up. I just lost this one, man. It's gone. All of my files, I can't get it back because I can't crank it up to transfer it on this one. So you know what? I'm gonna have to start all over again. I don't know how am I gonna get the antivirus software I put on that one. I guess you might as well say I'm gonna have to re-download it from the website. I'm gonna have to call customer service. Jesus help me. I can't believe this. I didn't want to do this. I just had to do it because my laptop just quit on me a couple of minutes ago. Oh my God, I don't believe this. I'm gonna have to crank this truck up because it's pretty hot in here. Oh crap. I can't get this damn phone to stay quiet on that, man. Crap. Hold on for a second. You're gonna have to excuse me. I gotta situate myself here. I am pissed, man. I'm in a bad mood. I feel good about the computer I just bought, but I just bought my mom a $500 desktop computer from Jacksonville. Now, since my computer just quit on me right over here in Virginia, I had to go dive into Best Buy right next to me, and they're now closed. They just closed about 1 minute ago, right behind my back. I said, it opens at 11 and closes at 7. It's like 7 o'clock right now. Actually, the black one with the AMD graphics, it's got an AMD graphics and a processor. It's got two of them right next to each other. And I wanted that one so bad. I thought it was like game savvy and intense. But now, they got this big one. This was the biggest laptop in all of them. They got one that costs, all right, the second biggest one, the one that I wanted, it was smaller. It was much smaller than this. This is the 17-inch. I used to buy 17-inch laptop PCs like around 2010, right? Back in them days, you know, I was jobless. I used to have unemployment insurance from Colorado. I used my unemployment insurance money and go to Costco, and I bought me a Hewlett Packard that had NVIDIA GeForce because I was so heavy into gaming, right? So um, I had that, and I had to like sell it. And I actually got this. I actually sold about two 17-inch ones, and then I started buying the used ones. I don't know, boy. It's like this is my first non-CD laptop. I'm talking about laptops that don't have any internal disk drives. This is my third Hewlett Packard I'm buying. Please open up. Oh man, I tell you. Yeah, I finally got another 17-inch 17-inch laptop since 2010. 2010, I used to collect like two of them. I bought two of them. Man, I didn't have to go through this, but that computer quit on me, so I guess it expired. Sorry, I'm going through the rough deal, but I didn't come out here to ass around in a tractor trailer and have fun. I mean business. If I'm making money, I'm making. What the hell is this? Please get this out of here. I don't like seeing excess crap. I hate it. They exaggerate too much. I hate that. I'm a little agitated and provoked. I'm sorry I'm in a bad mood, but you know, this didn't have to happen. Yeah, pretty much so. Excuse the knife. No, don't worry about that. I'm using it like I use it to peel fruit and cut things and all that. And as you can see, it's very useful. It's better than the scissors anyway. Much better. Oh, wait a minute. I don't want to do anything stupid here. Oh, by the way, that other one with the AMD, it costs 800. This one costs $999. 17-inch is my best, is my favorite. I don't think this laptop case is gonna fit that. Yes, it should anyway. You could tell by looking at it. I always did like 17-inch. Hold on for a second. You're gonna have to excuse me. I don't cut myself with this thing. Wait a minute. I don't think. Nah, I don't have to do nothing to it. I don't know why they put so much excess shit all over this thing, man. I don't need this. Seriously, don't need this. Too much crap. I just hate this. Let me get to the point, man. Shit. I'm in a hurry to get this damn computer cranking. I'm not in the mood for this. I really don't like this. Alright, I got it back. Sorry everything is so dark. I got the curtains. Turn the damn light on. As you can see, the dome light's missing because it's got a recall. I had to pull it out. Put this damn thing back in there. I got 100% sufficient Wi-Fi anyways. I ain't worrying about that. I wish they stopped fucking confusing people with this crap. You notice I'm not reading the instruction books or nothing. Because things nowadays are not so hard to fix. But anyway, I'll find it. I don't know if I could. I'll figure it out. If I can find the bastard. It must be this, I guess. Nah, is it? Nah. This is crazy. What the hell is this? I guess I better read the manual before I mess something up. Why they can put a lot of stupid shit in there. They exaggerate a lot. I hate that. God. I bought a brand new Hewlett Packard from Costco. And I had to get rid of it. Anyway. So I gotta plug the damn thing. This is stupid. I see it right there. It's a weird ass crap right here. Let me turn this damn thing on. I don't even got time for this shit. My heart is a motherfucker, man. Shoot, fucking keys are in my damn pocket. What a way to go. Next thing you know, the computer gets hot. I don't need this. Come on, man. Give me some breast space. I had to let go another $1,000 out of my savings. I can't believe this. Oh, God, I swear. I don't like this, man. Let me see if I can make sense out of this. Turn this damn thing down. Shit. It's fucking hot in here. I didn't tell you where the damn thing is at. One of them things look like the power source, but I can't tell. Crap. I see something right there. What the hell, man? It's gotta match one of these. Let's see if it's in the back somewhere. No, it's not. I guess it's on the right side. Let me see if this is it. I don't see nothing. You're crazy as hell. Oh, man. Oh, here it is. Oh, man. Well, I don't really like Intel. I wanted the AMD. But they said the graphics and the processor is higher than the one with the AMD. I don't care. The brand doesn't really matter. I was just thinking, it says graphics anyways, but nowadays they're making computers high as hell, so I don't know. I don't think this thing is working. I'm not so sure. Damn. I gotta go find out on the computer now. Alright. Oh. United States, yes. Since 2014, I haven't bought another computer. Now, 2022. Here we go. English. Now. What is this? The right keyboard. I don't know. Want to add a second keyboard? Yes. Yeah, I got one. I wish I cut this shit out. You know what? Forget it. Not forget it. They're full of shit. They're making me sick. Skip it. Hey, anytime they're going with a little stupid bullshit, let's get rid of them. Oh, it says 11107. It says my truck number right there. Alright, don't worry about it. I got a problem. I got a solution. You gotta be on the website to download software when you buy this stuff. I got a long ways to go. I got to add that external drive because I can't fool with this crap anymore. I need an external drive for that many reasons. Oh, looks like it might be working. Why they got two ports with the same outlet? They got two of the same thing? Let me check this out. Yeah. So it's actually charging the battery. They're crazy. They got two of them. I hate this crap. Man. 11107. It got my truck number on there. They're fucked up. Oh my goodness. Alright. This thing is just starting. Alright. Menu. I don't know what that beeping noise is. The technology is lame as hell. Here it is. It's turning the Wi-Fi on. As soon as it comes on, it should show up right about there. Alright, now it's showing up. It just popped up. That must be it right there. Try that. I'm not so sure. Let me try it. Nah. I think the other laptop had it easy. Let me go ahead and find out. Wi-Fi name and password. Come on, man. Shit. Fuck this is. It's so full of shit, man. Dangerous. Boy, this is stupid as fuck. I don't like this laptop. It's not really. I mean, the size and the output is better. I just had to buy the ugly one that's got the works. So I didn't have no choice. Come on, man. 7638D. I was hoping to get one with more, that's kind of black with the letters. I can't see that thing. I hope this crap works because I'm not gonna put up with this shit, man. Oh, I guess it's connected. It says connected, secured. If you have limited data plan, you can make this network a metered connection or change. Nah, don't worry about that. Let's see what the hell they got next. I'm at 18 minutes. Boy, I feel sick. Just like my mom's computer I bought a couple of months ago. It seemed like her desktop computer was pretty easy. But now this is my I don't know, 7th laptop computer. It's my first time buying one without a CD drive in there. Crap. Oh, name the device. I might as well put Hayden Palmer, what, Dave, I don't know. I might as well put the name. Caps lock on. I guess the keyboard lights up. I'm used to the black ones with the white letters. This lights up in the dark anyways. I might change my mind about the screen. Hold on for a second. I'm looking for something. God. No. Hold on a second. I wish they put the blasted thing up in there. I can't see it, man. I can't see the quotation sign or whatever it is. Golly. I used to see stuff that makes sense, but they're not doing that anymore. God, oh me. Even on my computer. I gotta give the computer a name. Stupid ass. Oh, look at this. Alright, it can't fit in there. Next. Can't contain only what? Numbers. What is this? Full of shit, that's what it is. Dumb as fuck. Name your device. Well, fuck you then. Skip your fucking ass. Pissing me off. I'm not in the mood for this. I don't like this. Fucking dumb cunt. Stupid ass fucker. I don't believe this. Now what? Stupid fuck. They're gonna ask me to create an account with Microsoft. I don't need this. It's so stupid as fuck, man. I hate this shit. Password. Man. I guess I don't have to videotape this crap, man. This is a pain in the ass. I hate this. This better not be one of them things. This is not a... No, I don't want to do that. It better be Windows and nothing else. I'm gonna just use the same old pen. Are you serious? Come on, man. It's stuck now. It's stuck. You notice that this thing is slow as hell? It's not even working. Oh, alright. I'll tell you what. Why don't you just cancel? And they're not working either. I'm typing the thing in there, it's not working. Yeah, it's stuck. There's something going on here. I just typed it a while ago, it's not working. Yeah, full of shit, that's what it is. it wouldn't accept it just now because I didn't click include letters and numbers. Now it's typing. This is stupid. I hate this crap. I'm at 25 minutes. It's gonna cut off in about 8 minutes. Oh shit. After this, man, I got tons of work to do. I gotta struggle how to get my files on there, and it's not gonna happen, man. Most of my files are already on that that messed up computer. You might as well just let all of that stay. Except, I don't know. It looks like I'm gonna have to start over a new life. Let's customize your experience. What? Entertainment? Yeah, do all of that. School, creativity, bringing ideas, photos, videos, business, tax, family. And that's about it. "26 minutes. I should have some time left. My Microsoft account and Drive. I'm gonna have to start all over and do all kinds of stuff. Download. I can't believe this. This is a lot of hard work. Decline. I don't feel like going to this. I hate it. Join for $1. Nah, skip for now. I got my own. I don't want none of this. Looks like I got it. Okay. I'm tired of this excess. I don't like it. Checking for updates. They got two power outlets. I don't understand this. I got my receipt right here too. I paid $1,085.42 including tax. Actually, the price of it is $9.99. I wanted the other one, but the other one was not only smaller, it's got less processors and it's got less output on both sides. But this one, I'm not really familiar with. I used to have a Toshiba with an Intel, but this one right here, it got the AMD Athlon. The other one had the AMD, but oh shoot, it said don't turn off your PC. All right. Well, I don't care which is which. The brand doesn't really matter. It's the output. This one's got more graphics and more processor compared to the AMD, and it's bigger and it's more expensive. I did ask questions though, but looks like this is all limited. They don't really have all that. I would have to look for the specs on the computer. Alright, I'll tell you what. When this video cuts, I'm gonna go ahead and do my own. Wait a minute. Now they got what I want. Microsoft Edge. Right. I'm gonna have to download some apps and all that. Let's just test it out and see if it's working. Continue. Confirm and continue. This is my last computer that I bought since 8 years. Successfully install easy browser tool. You're about to experience simple. This was really easy. They just had too much excess crap. All of this right here, I thought that was just because of my computer. Nah, it's all over. I think it's registering from my website to this right here. But I had a $90 virus software protection home feature. I already bought it. What is this? I don't feel like going through this. Alright, I got about 3 more minutes. I don't like this. I don't want this. At least the keyboard lights up, but I'm gonna be using that one instead. I'm not gonna mess with this. I'm using this for now, and the mouse. Damn, what do I do now? I guess that's it. Let's see what the hell this is. What the hell? I guess I can't get past this. Microsoft Edge. They're crazy and full of shit, man. I don't like this. They're so stupid. I downloaded it on the other laptop computer, but they're driving me crazy. Alright, I'll tell you what. I don't have enough hands to do all of this. This is all stressing me out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish. I gotta finish attaching this, and I gotta download my famous game software on this and see if it works. If not, it might not be compatible with this computer. Let me just get myself situated here. Just like I said before in the other videos, Western Express is not responding to me at all. This is the second time they've done that. They're playing dead, so the whole day went to waste. I got rid of the loaded trailer, now I'm hooked up to the empty. So it's a good thing I had the day to myself, because I didn't see this coming. My last best computer quit on me, so I guess I might have to throw that in the trash. I'm keeping the case though, and this is my next best one, my last best computer. Alright, I'll check y'all later. When I reach somewhere with this, I don't know, maybe I'll let you know about it.